Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 132, Calculus with Applications, Section 12.3, Problem 4. This is Section 12.3, Problem number 4. It says find the derivative of f of x equals 7x to the third minus 8 in parentheses raised to the 6.2 power. Now what makes this problem a little different than some of the others is the exponent is a decimal. That really won't change anything. What we really have here is some function with stuff in parentheses and it's raised to a power. So we get to still apply the chain rule. And the fact that the power is a decimal really isn't going to change anything. So again, overall we have a function that can be written as f of x equals some stuff in parentheses raised to a power. And the derivative of any function that has that form is the n, the power, comes down in front of the parentheses. The stuff inside stays exactly the same. The exponent is reduced by 1, goes to n minus 1. And then you write times the derivative of the stuff, which I write as stuff prime. So in this case, the exponent happens to be a decimal, 6.2, but it won't really change anything. We're still going to fill out that same formula. So we start with n, the exponent, which is 6.2. So 6.2 times some stuff in parentheses. So the stuff is 7x to the third power minus 8. So again, the stuff stays the same, no prime yet. Now, next we reduce the exponent by 1. The new exponent is 6.2 minus 1, or 5.2. And then we multiply times derivative of the stuff, which I have written stuff prime. So the 7x to the third, the derivative for that will be 21x to the second. And again, where that comes from is the exponent of 3 comes down times the number in front of 7. 3 times 7 is 21, and then the x is raised to 1 less power. That third power drops down to a second power. And then the minus 8 on the end, this derivative is 0. So it's really 21x squared minus 0. You don't have to write the minus 0. Close up the parentheses. And it could be simplified somewhat, but this is far enough, really. The final answer, f prime of x equals 6.2 times, in parentheses, 7x to the third minus 8 raised to the 5.2 power, and then times 21x to the second.